Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Marjorie Cuenca, and here is my structural cabling. As you can see, here is the building or the structure that I sketched using SketchUp. So, dito sa pinakababa, sa first floor niya is, dito natin makikita yung equipment room. Yung nasa gitna, yan yung backbone cabling. Yung nasa may kisame naman is yung tinatawag natin na horizontal cabling. So, yan yung pataas, yan yung backbone cabling natin. Hanggang taas yan, makakakonekta sila. Nakakonect yan sa telecommunication closet. Dito naman sa other side ng ating building, makikita natin yung work area. Yan yung mga devices, yung mga PC na kinokonekta ng ating cable. Dito naman sa pinakataas, makikita natin yung top view ng ating structure.